Hey everybody, good morning. Nate here, and I just wanted to show you something real quick. It is early in the morning. I just got up out of the shower to start my day. I'm waiting for the tea kettle. I'm not a coffee drinker, I drink tea. And but while I've been waiting, I thought I'd check my emails, and something cool just happened. So let me show you that. I'll switch my camera here. Okay, so I got my camera turned around, and as you can see, 6:25 a.m. Way too early. But like I said, something pretty cool. I'm gonna show you this email that came through. As you can see, it came through at 4:22 a.m. So while I was still in bed, sleeping peacefully, you can see that sorry for the shaking, have received a Powerline payment amount of $25. So I'm making money while I sleep. And also, I'll show you, here's my back office. So you can see I'm logged in and I have earned $25. So that is very cool. So let me switch my camera back around here. So very, very cool stuff. You know, making money while you sleep. What more could you ask for? And it was all due to the system with the Easy One Up, Funnel X. If it's something that you're interested in, you can't ask for anything better. All I did was go through the steps, set it up as instructed, followed what David Deacle explained as far as driving traffic, listened to what's been going on, and implemented and I took action. And so here we are, making money while I sleep. Can't ask for anything more. Cool. Well, anyways, gotta keep the morning going, and hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.